to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Yakionigiri. Yakionigiri is grilled rice balls. It's crunchy outside and the smell of burnt soy sauce is just amazing. Let me show you how to make it. These are what you need. 2 cups Japanese rice, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon instant dashi soup stock. Today I'm cooking rice, but you can of course use leftover cooked rice. I'm cooking the rice first, so let's rinse it. Add some water. Gently stir and drain. And repeat this 3-4 times. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1-to-1 in Japan, but if the package of your rice says something different, follow the instruction. 1, 2 cups of water. If you have time, let it sit for 10 minutes, so the rice soaks up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core. I left it for 10 minutes, so let's start cooking. Turn the heat on and just bring it to boil. Now you can see it's boiling, bubbles coming up from the pot. Turn the heat to low, really low, and cook it for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes over low heat, and then I left it for 10 minutes to steam. I'm going to put these seasonings now. Let's fluff the rice first. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon instant dashi soup stock, and mix it well. Put the lid back on and cool it down to lukewarm. The rice is still warm, but it's not too hot, so that I can touch to make it into onigiri. Prepare a bowl of water to keep your hands wet all the time so the rice doesn't stick to your hands, and small rice ball like this. This is a rice ball my daughter used to use when she was a little child. This is just to standardize the size of each onigiri. Using this bowl of water, wet your hands completely to the palm, but not too soggy. Take some rice in the rice bowl, like this, and take it out on your hand. And try to make it into triangle shape. Like this, the thickness. I made 8 onigiri and it's time to cook them. Heat up non-stick frying pan over medium heat. You don't need any oil because onigiri contains a little bit of sesame oil. Let's put the onigiri into the frying pan to cook this side and this side. I like to keep this side uncooked, but if you like to cook it too, you can do that. They are smelling nice and toasty, so let's check the bottom. Beautifully brown, so I'm going to flip them over. Let's see how the bottom side is doing. Nice and crispy and nicely browned, just like the other side. So let's turn the heat off. Yakionigiri is ready to go. These are freezable, so if you have some left over, wrap it using plastic film and freeze them. Whenever you want to eat it, you just microwave it to heat it up. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!